What's up, guys? Check it out. Boom, we're heading into this tunnel. Remember, you guys asked me, say, hey, will you guys go finish this tunnel? And like, just for you guys, we're going to go do this tunnel for you guys, because you know, you want to see what's in there. We're hoping it doesn't get flooded. We're hoping it doesn't get muddy. And very dangerous in here in this tunnel. Super dangerous in this tunnel, guys. So we're gonna take off this hat and I'm gonna put my hard hat on, and we're gonna go in and we're gonna explore because you guys wanted us to. So let's go see. I'm not gonna film, guys. I'm not gonna film the whole walk-in because we've already done that. You guys walked it with us last time. So we're just gonna film it to where we got the farthest we got. Kind of just walk fast because honestly, we don't really want to spend too much time in here. We got a lot of really cool abandoned ghost towns and ghost ranches all around Area 51 we want to take you guys to, and we think you guys will really enjoy it. So let's go check out this mine tunnel. Let's go check out this tunnel right here. Area 51 is about 10 miles over these mountains that way, and let's see if we can get to the end today, guys. Let's see if we can end these tunnels today. All right, let's go. Now Area 51 is a good, I'd say maybe 5 to 10 miles over this mountain is where the Area 51 is located. But this is the tunnel right here. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention something to you guys. Someone said, oh, that's not really a tunnel. That's just an old shed. So here's the side of the shed. This is actually a portal. A tunnel portal you can see right here. See that? There's a tunnel. And that's what we're going in today. And it's freezing. It's so cold, man. I have to go and put on a sweatshirt and some other clothes because it is literally freezing in here. And so we got to get some clothes on. Look how dangerous it is. I mean, you can see it collapses all over big rocks. All it would take is one of those massive rocks to come down and crush you. You'd be stuck. And it stinks in here. It smells. A lot of people ask us, what does it smell like? But it smells like chemicals, honestly, like oil. It smells like chemicals in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my my gear on. I'm gonna go ahead and get all my gear on, and then we're gonna head in. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. Here's our elevator shaft we got to last time. Like an animal in here or something. Somebody's like kicking up dust or something. Out of nowhere, guys. Look at all the dust. It's crazy. I'm gonna take a look down here. Another level right there. There's a ladder that goes down on each side. See how high up it goes, I wonder. There's the plan. Let's drop down some of these glow sticks down there. See how far down it goes. Oh, it just sounds like it doesn't go very far, does it? There's water right there. Yeah, right. Why am I leaning on this? That's stupid. There's a ladder. We can go to the next level. Look at the ladder, guys. Here's some cool, funky glasses. This thing is really rusted, so it's a little sketchy. Hear that? Couple more of these down there. Let's see if we can. So far they go. Huh? Let me see.
Oh, I don't want to stick on it.
Yeah, nasty.
What is that? What is blood?
It's like a bird or something.
No, it's not. It's the blood. Here, I need to see this one.
Let's go see what's on this side, guys. You got the old clock. It's really, it's either misty or,
What is that?
I'm not sure. It's not a bird though.
That one, there was fresh blood right there. Not really one of them.
Oh, this is dangerous.
Yeah, stop. It's coming right here.
I'm not going to be able to go down that ladder, guys.
There's fresh blood right there.
I saw that. Let me see the fresh blood. Carefully don't fall through this fucking thing.
No, right there. Look at that.
Yeah. There's a ladder there, guys. I'm about to tell you, it's way too rusty. Look at this, guys. Look at how bad this thing is rusted right here. This thing, I don't even trust anyone I'm standing on, actually. At least it's not too far of a fall. This is the elevator shaft, but this elevator shaft is in really bad condition. Okay, we're gonna head off, Ewu crew. We're gonna go to the place where we left off. You guys ready? All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna write X's here with the chalk we brought. What are you guys' suggestions? Those would be X and not Ewu. They're not gonna know what that means. They're gonna think Ewu. Write exit on there.
Ewu.
All right, we know what that means. All right, let's go, guys. Let's continue on. Check it out, Ewu crew. See, look at this. I'm pretty sure this wasn't like this the last time we came in. This is another big cave in right here. So we're gonna try to move quick and get in and out of this tunnel as fast as possible. Let's go. Look how bent that support beam is right there. And look at this cribbing right there. It's ready to come off. That board's ready to break. Something as simple as that could leave us trapped in here. Looks safe, oh guys. What do you think? Pretty safe? Alright, let's continue. Yeah, we gotta watch out. There's that dead rabbit, guys. From last time. It's starting to decay now. That was like a month ago. A lot of hazards we gotta navigate in here, guys. You got dynamite you can walk on. Actually, I step on some old dynamite. You're done. And of course, getting crushed by a rock. That wouldn't be very fun either. We're almost to the point where we stopped last time, so let's continue on. What do you guys think we're gonna find up here? See, look at this, what I'm talking about, you guys. This kind of stuff. That rock right there would just crush your head. Totally crush you. Always got to be worried about that. This looks like an ore chute here. Oh, but it's not. Look, there's another level right above us. There used to be a ladder up to it. Check it out, you look at that. That is ready to give way right there. That board right there is popping out. You see it? So, guess we could get around this way if we had to. There's a mine. That looks to be a shaft right there. There's some cribbing. And wow, look at that board. That support beam is gone right there. Holy moly. Yeah. Let's get through this quick. Check it out, guys. Look at that support beam is bending right there. Oh, sorry. Got my mask on, guys. Sorry. Check out that support beam right there. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at all that waste rock up there. Are collapsing. We need to get through this quick. Alright, let's go, guys. Pretty sketchy, guys. Even the littlest thing could make most of this collapse. A lot of this would collapse. Look at that. There's some more structures. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, I wouldn't do that on there. I don't know if... Alright. This is the farthest we've gone so far, guys. So, this is all new. Shouldn't spend much time in here, guys. Shouldn't spend much time in here because it's really unstable. I really would hate to be stuck in here in a collapse. I'm betting this mine tunnel won't be around much longer, at least accessible like this, because you can see there's some areas this place is ready to completely cave in. Look at how high it is. It's about 10 feet high to the roof right here. Stop. Look at those huge boulders right there. Alright, let's go this way. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn it off and then we're gonna see you keep going. Alright guys, that's crazy. Look at all that rock. All that weight on this board. That one up there almost slipped out. No joke. Alright, let's see where it goes. Look at that massive rock right there. That boulder ready to come through there. It's weird, guys. The deeper you get in, the worse condition it's in. But you'd think it would be the opposite because this is newer stuff. There's a car battery over here. Alright, let's continue. Well, we got multiple directions we can go. That way, guys. Or we're gonna just continue straight. We're gonna continue straight. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get around it. Come on. Got these old valves, guys. Looks like it was probably for water and maybe both water pipes, I'm not sure. Let's check this way. Let's check out this way first, guys. What do you see? There's a ladder going up that way. A shaft there, I don't know. This continues on, look. I'm gonna take you up to another level right there. Like ladders in all directions here, guys. Alright, let's go. We're gonna take that main haulage. I just want to see how far it goes and where it ends. That's our main goal today. So let's go. Alright guys, we're back on the main tunnel here. Man, this is a long tunnel. Look at all this pollution on the ground. Makes you wonder if this tunnel ever ends though. Look, it just keeps going and going. Oh. Looks like we hit some mud over there. What is this little area? Got one that goes that way. Alright, let's continue on this and see if we're going to get to the end of where we can go. There's the mud. Now we can keep going. Alright. He's right X that way on one of these walls. The ceilings in here, guys, about, I'd say 10 feet, maybe 15 feet high. That way is the end of the road now. Now we could get by there if we wanted. Check out this little. Oh, there's a borehole right here. Whoa, look at this, goes forever, guys. Not too interested in climbing that though. Dangerous stope over there. Keep out right here. There's a big stoked out area. Wow. That is a big stope. Someone's shirt. Look at this. Look at the old shirt there. Then we got like a little chute. Makes you want to climb that ladder, but I want to get to the end of this tunnel, guys. I want to get to the end of this tunnel before anything. Is that kids' shorts? Put it down. Let's see. Show it to the camera. Check out, guys, a little kid shirt right there. It's all beat up. And look at these are old pants. Someone's name in there. Let's see the name. Right there where your thumb is. Someone's old work clothes right here. Makes you wonder if they're working the slusher up this way. I'd like to climb it, but I think for now we just continue. This guy must have got off his last day of work here and hung his clothes up and never came back. We're going to continue down the main tunnel. Let's go, guys. Look at all the pyrite, guys. I hope it comes through the camera. Let's see. It does. A lot of it, like a vein of quartz right there, it looks like. Got this long tunnel right here, dude. See if I can't give you guys a view.
Alright guys.
Alrighty, we'll go check it out. Looks like we might be getting to the end of where we could go. Yeah, look. Pretty much all filled in. It's like backfill. Look at all that pyrite, holy moly. So much pyrite right there. This is about as far as we think we can go, huh? Check it out, guys. Some graffiti from the 1980s right here. 1980s. Let's see. If they were, let's say 20, they would be how old now? 30 years ago, almost 40. So if they were 20, they'd be 50 something years old today. That's pretty crazy. Oh, that one's collapsed too. Look how massive that rock is, guys. Snapped them boards just like a twig. How bent that right there. Wow. Alright, we're making our way out now. Because we went to the end. Looks like they backfilled the end with the waste rock, and it's like climbing over it. So we got some pretty cool things to go check out. This is the sketchiest part for me. Look at all that waste rock up there. Even a small earthquake would take this whole thing down. We've been having a lot of earthquakes lately. Look at the rock. False security underneath this thing.
You guys can see. There's nothing you can't see anything behind us really. Pretty crazy in here. It's like we've been walking, seems like forever. This tunnel just keep going and going. So I think it's a while to get out of here. There we go, guys. There's the end, like up there. The end of the portal. Hey, there's two of us. I was supposed to tell you there's two of us at the end. Alright, let's go.
There's so much copper here, I'm surprised the copper thieves haven't come. 480 volts, got the heater. $11.76. I wonder if that's the date. $11.76. What do you guys think? Anybody who knows how to read those, tell me in the comments below. So that's it, guys. So we hit the tunnels, man. We went as far as we could go, and it's pretty sketchy. The only thing I could think of when we're in here is, what if there's an earthquake? One little earthquake would probably knock half of those things down. Some of those massive boulders. So I got some pretty cool places for us to check out next. Area 51 ghost towns to see.